Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I get this kind of go-to makeup look that I do. It kind of varies most of the time, but generally this is what I'll do. So I'm starting off with my It Cosmetics CC cream, and I'm just putting that all over my face. It's a little bit darker than like my actual skin tone just because I was wearing fake tan. And on top of that I'm just using my Makeup Revolution concealer. Like all the exact details on all the makeup products will be down below, but yeah, and I'm just putting that under my eyes, you know, the general places you can kind of see for yourself. And I'm just blending that in with a makeup brush. I'd usually blend in with a beauty blender or a Real Technique sponge, but I just didn't have any at the moment. I had to throw them all out. So yeah, well, the makeup brush is just as good. I'm using a makeup brush from, I think it's Crown Brushes, the one that I'm using there, but I'll also use the one from Penneys as well. I think they're really good. Then I'm just going in with some cream contour with a contour stick from Barry M Cosmetics, and I'll usually use cream contour like if I want like more of a glam look. I don't know why, but I just feel like cream contour really makes my makeup stand out more, like it's more glam for some reason. I don't know, that's just in my head. But yeah, so I'll usually go in with my cream contour and I just blend that in with a, oh my god, there's a bee in my room. Yeah, so the bee's gone now. I'm all good. I feel like I just was not surprised when that bee came in, but so many weird wildlife things come into my bedroom if I open my windows. So yeah, that happened. He left, whoever that bee, I don't even know if it was a bee, it could have been a wasp. I was just too focused on not getting, like, what is that word? Stung. Yeah, I didn't want to get stung. Wow, okay. So moving on, I'm just contouring like around my nose as well. And yeah, I'm just contouring my nose. This voiceover is so stupid. Like, you can clearly see what I'm doing. I don't know why I'm saying it. Anyway, yeah, I just set my face after I did all the cream contour with my RCMA no color powder and just put that everywhere where I get shiny. And there's a moth in my room right now. Cool. Okay. And then, yeah, so then I just go in with a powder bronzer, the butter bronzer, and I just put that over where I put my cream bronzer contour. I'm still just out of it and I'm sick, so I'm very sorry. Yeah, also if I sound terrible, it's because I'm sick. So yeah, then I just go in with my Orgasm blush from Nars and put that on the apples of my cheeks. And then I just go in with my MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter, put that on the tops of my cheeks, on my nose, on underneath my eyebrows, and yeah, glistening. Probably glistening with sweat because I'm sick. Then I just go in with my BH Cosmetics Pro eyebrow pencil thing. I don't know the exact name, it's right there, I should probably read it, but yeah, I just fill out my eyebrows with that. I usually would use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer, but I ran out and I just didn't repurchase it because I don't have the money to. So I got the BH Cosmetics one because it's way cheaper. And then I just set my eyebrows in place with my Kiko brow gel. I think it was in the shade dark brown or something. All the details, again, will be below, so if you want specifics, they'll be there. I'm just too sick to really be specific about things right now. And then yeah, I just do some eyeshadow on my eyes. I went for very neutral brown tones and just kept it pretty simple. Like I only did like 3 eyeshadows, and then I used the colours that I used on the top of my lids to smoke out the bottom as well and just even it out a bit.
I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, if I may, I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, night and day, if I may.
Then to line my waterline and my upper lash line, I just go in with this Rimmel London black kohl eyeliner. I'm not exactly sure what the name of it is because it's completely like scratched out, but like you'll probably find it if you go to a Rimmel counter or something in Boots. You'll probably find it. And then yeah, so then I just did a little wing with my Kat Von D tattoo liner and did it as evenly as possible, which is the biggest struggle in my life, bar my job, my personal life, and everything else following around me. Then I just go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and I put that on my eyelashes because that's where you put mascara. So for false lashes, I just went in with the Penneys flutter lashes, and usually if I'm just going for a very like light natural look, these ones are actually really good for like most eye shapes. I think they're really nice on people. It's very natural. But if I was going for something a bit more glam, I would usually go for the Cocoa lashes in Queen Bee, just because they make your makeup look a bit more dramatic and more glam. So for my lips, I just went in with my Kylie Cosmetics Candy K lip liner and found out as soon as I opened it that I had broken the top off it. So I just snuck that back in because I was not bothered to sharpen it, and I just lined my lips. And then I went in with my Kylie Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade So Cute, I'm pretty sure that's what it was. And I just go over the top of my lips with that because I'm really into glossy looks right now. But if I was to go for a matte look, I'd use my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Pure Hollywood.
Let's get scratching.
So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye friends!